All right, so today we're going to talk about static electricity, these ESD straps, grounding yourself, and damaging electronics with static electricity. So I've been working on electronics for probably about 20 years, and I think I've only damaged maybe 2 or 3 items with static electricity discharge. And it was when I was young on long carpet with socks on, being stupid, you know, not grounding yourself. But if you take just a little bit of time to set up something like a power supply that's plugged in, and all you have to do every time you walk around the room, you just touch it, ground yourself. If you have baseboard heaters around your room or area, you can just go and touch the top of the baseboard heater and you'll ground yourself. You'll feel a little shock, and that's you grounding yourself. And that's all these straps do, is continuously, put yourself in a position where you're grounded. But you have to connect these to something that's, obviously grounded. So they have these deals that you can, insert in the ground and you're okay, or you can put on the pigtail and you can attach it to, areas on grounded things, and then you can put it on your grounded. I like setting up a power supply just like this under my desk, and then I tie the ankle or the bracelet around my ankle, and good to go, and it frees up the hands. But it's not something you have to worry about. Even if you don't have a strap, even if you don't have a power supply, it's not something that you have to worry about. If you're on linoleum floors with rubber soles, you're not going to create static electricity. And even if you do, there are so many ways to ground yourself. Pretty much everything in your house is grounded. You can just touch things that are grounded. That is the best way to do it. Screw these little straps. Just be safe, follow like the 3 or 4 rules, and you're fine. If you're working on, your gaming PC, you're working on super expensive stuff, it's probably a good idea to get yourself a kit with a strap. But like I said before, the strap is completely useless if it's not properly grounded. So there you go. But it's not the big boogeyman like everybody thinks it is. It is definitely not.